Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company for another short. Today I'm going to show you another dessert item that's perfect for your barbecue meals or picnics or whatever. We're going to put together a quick and easy banana pudding that's absolutely delicious. So let's get started. We're going to get this project started in a mixing bowl. I'm going to put my pudding mix in the bowl and then our milk, and I'm going to give you all these ingredients and quantities here in the video description. And I've got some sweetened condensed milk as well that we need to get in there. And then I'm just going to take my whisk and I'm going to work that until it's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to take that and set it in the refrigerator until it's set up. And in the bowl of my stand mixer here, I've got about 3 cups or so of heavy cream. And I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to whip that into some whipped cream. And we just want to let that go for a minute or two until we get some nice stiff peaks like that. And the next thing I'm going to do is take about half of that whipped cream and we're going to fold it into our pudding mixture here. And we're just going to get that completely mixed into this. And then we're going to take that back to the refrigerator. And then to our remaining whipped cream, I'm going to toss in about 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar to sweeten that up a bit. And then I'm just going to stir it to mix it in, and then we'll set this aside. So now we've got to put this together. So I'm going to put it in my glass trifle dish. Actually, this belongs to my wife. I stole it. So we're going to spread out some of that pudding mixture here on the bottom. And then we're going to layer on some vanilla wafer cookies. And then the next thing we're going to do is put some bananas on. I've got my bananas sliced and I've had them soaking in orange juice. That does 2 things. It gives the bananas kind of a interesting little flavor, and it also keeps them from turning yellow. And after we get that layer of bananas in, we're going to come back with another layer of our pudding mix. And we're going to smear that out evenly across the top of that. And then come back in with another layer of cookies. And then another layer of bananas, and then another thin layer of our pudding mix. We'll spread that all the way out to the edges. Come back with more cookies. And then we'll bring in one more layer of bananas. And then we'll finish that off by putting in the rest of our pudding mixture on top. And we'll smear that all the way out to the edges once again. And then we'll finish it off with the remaining whipped cream. And we'll just spread this all the way out to the edges of this dish. And then we'll take this guy to the refrigerator for about 3 hours or so to let it set up. Okay, so after this has been back in the refrigerator for a little while, it's perfect. It's ready to serve. I actually took a couple of extra vanilla wafer cookies, crumbled them up, and put them on top. This thing tastes amazing, guys, so you're going to have to give this a try next time you're feeding a crowd of people. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.